Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. So let's get started. The first step is to link your Chime card or account to Cash App. Start by opening Cash App and navigating to the home screen. Tap on the user icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account page. Scroll down a little until you find the Linked Banks section. Within the Linked Banks section, select the option to add a new card or bank. From here, input the details of the Chime account or card that you want to link. Once the Chime card or account is successfully linked, you will be able to add money to your Cash App account or transfer money from Cash App to Chime. Ensure the Chime account appears under the Linked Banks section before proceeding. Now, return to the home screen of Cash App. On the home screen, look for your current balance, which will be displayed in the lower left corner or on the navigation bar. Tap on this balance to access the banking page. At the top of this page, you will see your account balance along with the options to add money and cash out. To transfer money from Cash App to Chime, select the Cash Out option. Enter the amount you want to transfer, ensuring it doesn't exceed your available Cash App balance. Confirm the transaction to send the money to your linked Chime account. You can repeat this process as many times as you need. If you no longer wish to keep the Chime account linked to Cash App, you can always remove it from the Linked Banks section. I hope this guide was helpful in showing you how to transfer money from Cash App to Chime. Thank you for watching.